So in example 6, we want to determine the integral of the natural log of cosine to the sine x power. So the first thing that we want to do here is take this inside exponent, sine x, and bring it down in front of the log. So this is now the integral of sine x times the natural log of cosine x. And then I look at that and I see a function and its derivative. So derivative of sine is cosine, but we don't want to pick sine to be our u because then our du is going to be inside of the logarithm. So we want to switch those around here. We want to go ahead and let our u be the inside here, cosine x. And then the derivative of cosine x, remember, is sine x, negative. So this is going to be negative sine x dx. We've got the sine x dx here. I'm going to multiply by -1 inside and outside the log. So this will now be negative integral, or inside and outside the integral. And then negative sine x dx, that's my du. And then we've got natural log of u. So natural log of u du, and then we've got power of x times a natural log, so that's going to be integration by parts. It's actually x to the 0 power here. So if you want, we can put a 1 in there. So natural log of u times 1 du. So then we need a u and a dv for integration by parts. And since we used u here, why don't we change that to w? So we've got a different variable there. So natural log of w dw. And so then our u, we want a simpler derivative, and dv easy to integrate. So let's let u be the natural log of w, and the dv be 1 dw. Then we need our du and v. So the differential of log of w is going to be 1 over w, and then dw. Antiderivative of 1 is going to be w. And then we do the diagonal product here, minus the integral of the bottom row. So the diagonal product, w log of w, and then minus integral of v du. So it's w times 1 over w dw, and that works out nicely because the w's cancel here, and we're just integrating 1. So this will be w times ln of w, and then the integral of 1 is just w, and then plus a constant. And then we just have to reverse our substitution. W is cosine x. So this will be cosine x, natural log of cosine x, minus cosine x, and then plus our constant. And we've got it. So that one was properties of logarithms, a simplifying substitution, and then integration by parts.